Hello guys, and welcome to lesson 4 of our HTML tutorial, how to use audio tags. Now, how do we start? First of all, like I said before, when we created the image folder, so we go to our folder again. Now we create a new folder, calling it audio. Now what is like that? Just go inside. Now there's no audio no music here, no music here. So now we go to our desktop and look for any music you can find. Okay, copy that, then go to your folder, then paste it. So that the title of this song is Ed Sheeran, Shape of You. Okay, that's the name of the song, Shape of You by Ed Sheeran. So now we go to our code editor like we did for the last time. We type in, we open our tag and type in audio this time, no longer image, audio now, because it's audio that we are inserting. So now this audio also has its own source, so type source. So once we've typed in source equals to, then quotes. Now if you take us, it's showing the audios already, audio folder, so just type in audio. Now inside that audio folder we have Ed Sheeran, Shape of You, so just click on it, then we close it. Now this percent that you're seeing here is nothing, it's because the name is too long. There's some other audio files that you can insert. This percentage will not come out, but no, it's not going to affect your web page. So now you can see this image had only one tag, but this audio has an opening and a closing. Why? I'll show you guys now. So now, since we have already inserted this, let's save it. Save, then let's open our browser. Now let's refresh this. You see, nothing came out. So now why? This was the reason why this one has two tags, because of, in this place we're going to type in controls. So now what does this controls do? It enables the music to play, to have this control, so that you can be able to play it. So now we save it. Now refresh. You see the controls now are there. So now if you play this, the volume is also there. So now that is how we insert audio into our web page. If there are any questions, you can comment down there. Don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe. See you guys next time.